Okay, so last video we already talked about like how to create SKU, create inbound order. Uh, now we're going to talk about how to create the outbound order. So yeah, so last time we create this inbound order, right? And then our warehouse already receive and show it, and so this, which means this inventory ready uh um to be sent out. So let's talk about the for the customer need to use our small package shipping. So you will need to like use the create here will about how to create the inbound the outbound order for the small package order, right? And you can come to like here warehouse, and then here you have the parcel outbound, right? So and then you can add a order. So you can select out warehouse, and I would say since there are a lot of shipping, right, and shipping channel, so I would suggest our customer to uh, select this one, which means this one will be selected by us. We will based on the country you need to send, and then how you select the correct uh, correct shipping channel. So the most the cost effective shipping channel. Of course, if there's something other requirement you want to let us know, we also will help you select the even like there are like fast shipping channel and other stuff, other shipping channel. Just let us know and contact the account manager, the your manager. So yeah, okay. And now now we are in here, and then you can chosen the platform you are selling, and also the store. Like I made a finish to store in here, and the platform order number, and if like you're doing the crowdfunding, and yeah, if you're doing company, you can like send it in upload in upload body, not just like single order. Now I just like want to show you about single order how it works. And yeah, and then here's fill in the with with your address information, telephone, email. So yeah, and here you will select the SKU you want to send out, like this one with this one for this order. Also, if you had like one order, you have multiple SKU, you also can select them, and then two and then three. So then these three SKU, one customer order three SKU, and this the quantity. So yeah, and basically yeah, this it. If you had others like the value service you want to add, and then you can also add into it. And also if you had other like uh information want us know, you can select the file and then upload to here, so we can know uh we can see the file. So yeah, let me create an order. Like let me get a text address. let's say this one. I'm going to copy the details. Okay, the receiver information. Okay, I will put that destiny and the address, the city, and the phone number. If they have email, please do in the email too. USA. Okay, I just fill in the receiver information, the item information, and yeah, and then submit. Okay, after submit, you will see the order I just create, right? And then awaiting. So yeah, now in the awaiting statute, then uh our our team will be pick and pack based on this order information and then send out. After we send out, our the schedule will be in complete. And then you will see the checking information in our system. This this one, and then you will see the since this is free order, so there are no tracking information. Otherwise, you able to see the tracking information in here. So yeah, and yeah, here's about how to select the uh, information, and here about filling the receiver information, select the product, and yeah, about the statute. And once we pick and pack and send out, then the edit the statute will be complete, and then you will see this. And then yeah, so this how to create a single uh order by manually. You also can like create the order manually. So you can like in here and then import, and then you can download the template. So there are there are two templates. You can based on what you need to download it. And then there are English and Chinese, and then you can like fill in the information. You can fill in the information in here. So yeah, and yeah, like for example, if you're doing the crowdfunding on Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and then you had the order, you can use this template and put the information. The warehouse will be the this uh you will like which warehouse user now. Uh, for us, only the you only need to select the Shenzhen warehouse for the because our Shenzhen warehouse is for the D2C shipment, and this you can fill in it if you have the information and hear about the in hear about like what if this information like the warehouse code, and then you can just fill in here like fill in this one is the warehouse code, and for the country the code of the country you can also like find in here their English and Chinese, and so you can like based on like which country, and then you fill in which what kind of the country code. In shipping channel, you can just let this one select for me, and you can based on the information and select and fill in this information. So yeah, and the platform you can put in the platform you are selling Kickstarter, yeah, all kinds of um, and for carrier you don't need to select. So yeah, and here has some example about how to fill in it. Uh, most most like they are English and Chinese, so for both. So I think this will be more easy for our customer. If this is only Chinese, you can use the AI to translate it and see what is there to fill in here. The example, put in the address information. The yellow one is must fill. As you can see, the yellow one is must fill area. So yeah. Like the yellow one is like SKU and how many quantity, the address information, CNA, yeah. Also the phone number and email also need to fill. Even though even though here we don't the system WMS not required, but actually in most shipping uh to different uh, country is a require. Otherwise, the carrier will not able let us create the shipping label for you. So yeah, here's about how to use the template to manually create the shipping order. Okay, we already like uh we already like talk about is how to manually create the outbound order. Now we talk about how to like do the Shopify integration. I mean, the menu is like need to still you use manual, right? But if you sell on Shopify, not just Shopify, um, we can let's come here. The platform on the setting, we go to the setting and platform. So if you sell on any this platform, you can we you can integrate we can do the integration without WMS. So yeah, so so let's keep moving about how to do the uh, integration with Shopify. So yeah, we go to platform and add the store and add the authorization, and you can you can you can you can put a store name uh for for your O to read. I mean, this store name you don't need to have be like say as your Shopify name, but it would be better if you can keep the same name so you can more easy to manage it. The information will be more easy for you to understand. So I will just like put in like easy China where and the store code is W02. Okay. I think I got it wrong because here's the Amazon. Amazon. So I think we need to here. We need to create here first. Yeah, sorry about that. We need to create the Shopify and then add the store about the authorization, and here also had the menu about how to authorize your store, and then you click here, and then you see how to do it. But it's a Chinese, but you also like can use the website translate as English. Sorry, since my here is the Chinese, so I only see the translate Chinese option. But I think for you guys, you can use if it uh like Google Chrome, and you can just translate in English, and then you can follow the menu step by step how to do it, and yeah. So yeah, here here after we create this page and this domain also nice say just I mentioned you can put in any name you want, but it would better to keep it say as your domain because some customer they not just have one Shopify store, they had like different brand, right? And then different brand we had different like they sell on different category, and then they will have different Shopify store, and then they will put, and then you can just like put in the same name as that brand name or Shopify name to match it. So in case uh mess up the information, right? And for the URL, if you open your Shopify store, you will see the URL like this, and then the last one, this will be the one you need to put in here. Now we just like put in the store name for easy warehouse CW02, and I'll make say this one. Okay, and then here will be up to you. If you want the inventory like say to your Amazon, no, your Walmart store, and then you can like switch it open, and then you go to your Shopify store, and then on the setting, and you will find the location, and then you click here, and then you will see the location ID here, and then this one will be the one for you to fill in here as the location ID. And then you will update you can create the oscillation, go to the oscillation, and then you will see this page. If you not install install these WMs on your Shopify, then please install it, and then you will auto create, and then you jump to this page, and then it shows succeed, then which means the oscillation should be finished. Then you can back to your system, your OMS, and check the and check the and check if it shows succeed or not. And then after finish that, then we need to do the product mapping. This one is very important after you do the integration. So the product mapping, like I just mentioned, if the SKU, when you create the SKU when you create the product here, the SKU, the system SKU is same as the platform SKU, which means the Shopify SKU. Then you can click here, it will automatically preparing the relationship with the same SKU. So you just select here and say, and it will automatically to prepare. If not, then if the SKU is not prepare, and then you can select here, and then here the platform SKU, which means the Shopify SKU, and then here you put in the SKU you will create on OMS. So which means the product SKU you create at the first step, and then this one is normally we will want, because let's say ECW 01 and like this, and this ECW 01, and some customer they selling maybe a bundle, right? And then there may be 5 piece and it's one order, so it's very depend. But I think most customer only one, because this way will be not easy to mess up. And yeah, just like I mentioned, if you are not selling a bundle, then you can just put in one. If you do selling bundle, then you can, based on your need, to put in how many quantity. So yeah, you also can do it not just one by one. You can also do it in partly, if you need to do it partly, then you can download the template here, right? And then you open it, you will see here, and then you can just the same information we just fill in here. So yeah, and then after you fill in the information, and then you upload the template and then see how things go. So yeah. And yeah, that's it about how to create the outbound order for small parcel, and also about how to do the Shopify integration with the OMS. Yeah.